How to Travel on a Budget, 10 Money-Saving Tips. Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you, 10 fantastic money-saving tips to help you travel on a budget without compromising on the quality of your adventure. But before we dive into it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more helpful travel tips like this. Let's get started. Tip 1. Plan and budget ahead. Our first tip is all about preparation. The key to budget travel is planning and setting a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your trip and then stick to it. Research your destination, accommodation, and activities to ensure they align with your budget. Tip 2. Travel during off-peak seasons. The second tip is all about timing. To save money, travel during off-peak seasons. This not only means fewer crowds but also lower prices for flights, accommodation, and attractions. It's a win-win. Tip 3. Be flexible with your dates. Flexibility is crucial. Be open to adjusting your travel dates. Sometimes, simply flying out a day earlier or later can result in significant savings on airfare and accommodation. Tip 4. Use fare comparison websites. To save big on flights, use fare comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. They help you find the best deals by comparing prices across multiple airlines and booking platforms. Tip 5. Consider alternative accommodations. Instead of traditional hotels, consider alternative accommodations like hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals. Websites like Airbnb and Hostelworld can help you find affordable places to stay. Tip 6. Cook your own meals. Eating out every meal can quickly drain your budget. Our sixth tip is to shop at local markets and cook your own meals. It's not only cost-effective but also a great way to experience local cuisine. Tip 7. Use public transportation. Public transportation is your wallet's best friend. Opt for buses, trams, and subways instead of expensive taxis or rental cars. Many cities have affordable travel cards for tourists. Tip 8. Take advantage of free activities. Search for free or low-cost activities and attractions in your destination. Museums, parks, and cultural events can be both enriching and budget-friendly. Tip 9. Travel light and pack smart. Our ninth tip is all about packing efficiently. Traveling with just a carry-on can save you money on checked baggage fees. Plus, you'll be more mobile and agile during your trip. Tip 10. Exchange money wisely. Lastly, when it comes to money exchange, avoid airport currency exchange counters. Instead, use local ATMs and be aware of any foreign transaction fees your bank might charge. Before we wrap things up, here's a quick list of budget-friendly destinations to consider. Southeast Asia, visit countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia for affordable adventures. Eastern Europe, explore countries like Poland, Hungary, and Romania for cultural richness without breaking the bank. Mexico, enjoy vibrant culture, beautiful beaches, and delicious food at a reasonable cost. South America, consider destinations like Peru, Colombia, and Ecuador for stunning landscapes and unique experiences on a budget. And remember, the best time to visit these destinations varies, so do your research and plan accordingly. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fantastic travel tips. Happy travels, fellow budget explorers!